Okay, so here we are doing similar triangles. Remember, when we talked about similar figures, they need to be congruent angles and proportional side lengths. Those are the two key ideas. The theorems, in order to find similar triangles, are very much the same as the ones we used for congruent triangles. So we have the SAS similarity theorem. We have the side-side-side similarity theorem. We do not have an ASA, but we do have an AA similarity theorem. So when you are doing a problem such as number 5 on the worksheet you got earlier, it is helpful if what you do number 5 looks something like this. It is helpful to maybe break these apart if you can't see the two triangles clearly. So what we know we have is, because we have two congruent, not right triangles, sorry. If we can find another pair of angles to be congruent, then we can use the AA similarity theorem. Vertical angles tell us that these two angles are congruent. So therefore, angle A is congruent to angle E. This is a C. DCE is congruent to angle BCA. So we have two angles so that we can say triangle is similar to triangle and it's by the AA theorem, similarity theorem. Remember, when we do the SAS, the two sides, anytime you have an S for side, you are looking for proportionality. So you always have to put the corresponding sides as a fraction and reduce. Angles have to be the same. Angles equal angles, sides proportional to sides. That is a very important key to being able to get similar triangles. We use the non-rigid transformation of dilation and then a series of rigid transformations in order to make sure that we've mapped one figure onto the other to prove that they are similar. And that is similar triangles, either using side-side-side, which is dealing only with proportionality, side-angle-side, which is two proportional sides and the angle between them have to be congruent, or the angle-angle similarity theorem, which is two angles have to be congruent to two angles between your two triangles. You have either of those situations, you then have two similar triangles, and you have proven the similarity theorems. Have a good evening.